right.
There you go.
There you go.
Nice.
How do you even figure out that you can do that? I know I'm usually touring houses with you and showing you design, but this is actually my inner nerdy sporty child dream come true. Josh Horton has a warehouse full of anything you could think of for sports and competition, and this is my first time getting to see it. And you're already in here shooting hoops?
Ready?
Okay. And the left-handed, and I still got it! Good to see you, man. Welcome. I've been watching Josh's videos for a very long time. I've seen everything from your juggling to sexy slow motion breaking and also
all sorts of stuff.
What do you call this? I don't even know what you call this.
These are like our trick shot galleries. It's
Yeah.
like first person to hit everything down. We're gonna smash some stuff, which I know you also like.
I love smashing, but I feel you have an unfair advantage because you probably sit in here and practice all day long.
I don't practice, but I've done that video, 40 times. So
times.
yeah, I will beat you.
Have you done it with household construction tools and things like that?
We bought a few extra, some new ones just for you. So we'll see. You have a slight advantage maybe on throwing a sledgehammer.
I am Thor in real life. Do you want to tour us through? Because again, usually I'm looking at design and aesthetic of a space and modern innovation for a home space. But I have a warehouse, but it's got decor and furniture. I don't have all the sporty stuff I wanted to have.
Yeah, it's not exactly the most beautiful thing, but we love it, and it gets the job done for everything we want to do. So yeah, we have a little basketball area right here.
And you got all the balls lined up. This is like the all-star game when it's the three-point contest.
Oh, yeah.
You got it set up. Did you play ball?
I played 1 year of high school basketball, then I quit to focus on juggling.
I played 1 year of high school basketball, and then I didn't quit. I went on to college, and then I never ended up playing in season. I injured myself 2 years in a row. So I played off-season college. Okay. But I was a jumper.
Could you dunk?
I could dunk. Well, yeah, I had a 43-inch vertical.
Okay, yeah.
Yeah, at one point I could touch my head on a 10-foot rim.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, but now I have probably a 4-inch vertical. Yeah.
Okay. There's a new trend right now of making 3 trick shots, and they get harder and harder and harder. We built this one mainly for soccer. I don't know if you want to try soccer or we can do it with a football.
Why don't we try both?
You want to try both?
I am not
So
good when it comes
easy.
to kicking.
Let's go football. I'll grab a football.
When I was a kid, I was told that I shouldn't take on soccer because I scored on my own goal. But imagine that. Thanks a lot, coach, whoever you were. He told a young kid that maybe you shouldn't play soccer, and I was all defeated. This is like at the circus, though. That looks smaller than a soccer ball. There's no way it would actually go through. Impossible.
That's why it's impossible.
Yeah, good point.
I've already done this. This is just you.
Just me? All right. I should quit while I'm ahead.
I'm not that good at soccer. I'm good at this though.
Oh, so maybe we should do that. Maybe we should do more of a trick. Oh, nearly broke your shelf.
That was at least the straightest line. I could be here all day. This could be the longest, most boring video for you because I'll keep missing the hole.
Hey!
All right, Josh. I feel this is impossible.
You got it. Oh no! Oh! 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 Okay. I'll try one.
But I could do the alley-oop.
Oh!
And apologies for the mess.
You're good. So this is like our main area. So like this wall right here has maybe 2 billion views in the last 365 days.
Oh, really?
Just this wall, yeah.
It's
So
a
like,
black wall.
do you have any like good advertisers that want like a billboard right there? I think it'd be really, really high in return on investment.
That's
So
smart.
this is kind of our main area right here.
Here's an idea.
Yeah.
What are some brands that are smart, that are willing to have themselves as the target and you just break shit on them? Like, I think there's some smart brands that would make sense. You kind of have a mini version.
Yeah. This is the famous hoop tower. Today, you and I are going to do something I've never done before. We're going to do layers of drywall. Usually we do aluminum foil, or we'll pop balloons, or we've done duct tape. This might be the strongest layer we've ever tried, but we wanted to do something fun for you.
So you want to drop like a sledgehammer?
So we'll drop some heavy stuff and see how many layers it goes through, yeah.
All right.
Again, this series, I've been doing it for about a year. I kept saying I'm going to do this on social until it stops working. And it's been over a year, and 2 days ago I posted one of these and it's at 65 million views.
So what's the upper level?
Upstairs is just an insane amount of unorganized weird items because we use a lot of weird items here. So it's just like anything you could possibly want. It's kind of, someone said it looks like a thrift store threw up. So we don't need to go up there.
You have a giant clown head.
Yeah.
course. Why wouldn't
Yeah.
Why wouldn't you?
Yeah,
have
and I mean over there, that's kind of like a sampling, like the armadillo, the donuts, the mannequin head. They're just buckets filled with everything you might ever want.
a spiky basketball?
A spiky basketball, giant Rubik's cube, disco ball.
Oh, and what's that right there? Impossible!
Yeah! Let's go!
Oh my God, that's it.
Wow!
I just did the impossible.
This is kind of our brick wall set. We tried starting this whole new YouTube channel that was all like Team Blue versus Team Red, and it failed. And that's just kind of part of being a content creator. But we kept the set. We use it a lot. But we do all sorts of little tabletop challenges here for the most part.
This feels like sort of like a dude den.
Yeah, that was kind of the vibe
yeah.
we were going for. I'm sure you could have done something. Have you seen this?
Oh, what is it? You blowing it?
No. Okay, you ready? You're tall.
Let's play sports together.
You ready? You not seen this?
No.
Okay, they're gonna start falling.
Oh,
You gotta catch them.
Okay.
3, 2, 1, go.
My name in high school in sports was Hands Ands because I had terrible. Yeah, I got the last two. Jonathan got more into magic. I got more into juggling, and then I got more into sports.
Oh yeah, you wanna juggle?
Oh yes. Oh, actually, if you could teach me.
Let's do
I
it.
never got past the basic
Here, do it.
form of juggling.
Let's just see where you're at with the ball.
Okay. So.
Okay.
Okay. I used to be able to go under my leg and behind my back. So let's see.
It's close. It's close. Yeah, that's good. Yeah, the big thing with under the leg or behind the back is you want to kind of move your body around the juggling more than the opposite. So the juggle, like a lot of people will throw a really high one and then try to do that and it messes them up. Okay. So you want to just keep all the throws the same and just kind of lift your leg and move your body around the juggling instead of the opposite.
I get what you're saying.
I would go right. Are you right-handed?
I'm left-handed.
You're left-handed. Okay, I'll go left hand under your left leg.
All right, so keep on juggling as it is. Now I'm doing the Karate Kid.
Yeah.
Here.
Oh.
Okay, hold on. Let's see. I'll try my one other trick. Hold on a second.
There you go.
There you go.
Nice.
I caught it. I can't get past the desk.
Hey, you qualified the move. Here's one trick we'll try. It's called columns. You can throw 1 up, 2 up, back to it. You can keep going, but we'll just try one. So you juggle, throw 1 up, 2 up, 1 up, and then go back to juggling.
Okay. Let's see. So
1 up.
Oh. See, so 1 up, 2.
Yep.
Hold on, I got this. See, I get really competitive even with things that I'm not great at.
That's what's good about juggling. It's you versus yourself.
So yeah, I gotta get the 1 in the middle and the 2 on the outside.
Yep.
1 middle, 2. 1.
Yep, that's good. You can also do a cold start. So you can just start with the 1 in the middle, a little bit easier.
Okay.
You just go 1, 2, and back to it.
Okay. Okay. 1, 2, back to it. 1, 2, back to it.
Yeah! It counts.
But so I had so much energy at home. Our parents were like, "Go get a job and do something to burn energy." And so we saw posting for at Parks and Rec for Become a Clown.
Okay.
And so that's what we did, and Jonathan and I became clowns.
I love it. Here, let's move somewhere else and I'll show you a little bit more.
Okay.
All right. So let's see. Check. Should have juggled before you got here. It's been a while. Stop.
Were you ever a clown or just a juggler?
My elementary school had like a circus club. After school, we put on a show at the end of the year, and so in like 3rd and 4th grade, I think I did clown.
So how long is it, like the 10,000 hours sort of thing?
Yeah. So when I really got into juggling, I was doing 4 hours a day for several years.
So you had no dating life.
Oh, no.
Yeah, I mean that was a.
The impressive part is I don't think I've juggled in several months, 6-7 months. So that's.
Well, I don't think I've tried pins when I was a kid. Let me just see if I have any. Oh, I can see that. There you go. Okay. Okay. Ready?
Yeah. 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 Keep back.
Maybe I should start with 1 or 2.
Okay. Yeah. Just try swapping 2 sections.
6,
Right, left, right.
This one. Okay. So spin.
A little bit less. So just the so left, right,
Nice. So.
and choke up on both of them. Throw from here. You're kind of throwing from here.
Okay.
Throw from in there.
Oh, I see. That's so.
There you go. No, that's better. Sounds better.
Good guy.
Over rotating on the second throw.
Yeah.
Okay.
I'll work on it. I have told Linda that I'm going to become the coolest dad ever because I'm going to do things with the kids that no other dad does. Like learn to juggle them, do magic tricks, and do...
I'm waiting for the day my sons realize that they have a cool dad.
All right, this is the goal. Together, we're going to convince them or trick them that we're cool dads.
Balance.
I'll work on these things.
Okay, all right. So that was just 3. I'll do something a little bit more impressive.
Wait, what?
All right. Ready? So I have the Guinness World Record for longest duration juggle. 5. So.
How do you even figure out that you can do that? And then to finish this video off,
I was gonna say the record is 48 minutes, so don't go anywhere. I'm just kidding. Go, second. 1 minute. Oh!
there you go. Finish this off by taking the last ball to kick you in the hole.
Impossible shot!
Awesome. Well, I love this tour. I hope you guys love this tour. It's sort of, again, like I said, my inner nerd coming out. But
Yeah.
I hope you are okay with coming out here and realizing I'm going to be here every day practicing my juggling.
Come on, we're about to do some. We haven't done the fun part yet. We're about to race and drop some stuff and smash some stuff. It's gonna be a good time.
Then you need to go over to Josh's, subscribe here, and let's have some more fun with this. You're going down.
Let's do it.
Oh, wait. How do I do this?
Keep.
Oh.
So, I could use some help if you're free later.
I'm pretty sure landlords don't like this.
Hey,
Was that a bowling ball?
dude, was that you?
What? I didn't do that.